I'm pretty sure I'm going to get ridiculed for pointing this out, but I don't really care anymore. This is just getting out of hand. This is the fabric of space-time, so to speak. When the mass of the Earth pushes down the space-time, it keeps it in place, or whatever. There's only one problem with this space-time. What is this fabric made out of? There's nothing in outer space. It's vacuum. There are no atoms. There's no molecules. There's no matter in the vacuum. So what are all these blue lines made out of? What's going on here is that this isn't a real physical construct. This is a mathematical construct. A gravitational field is mathematical. There is nothing here. Thus, there is no space-time bending causing physical matter to move, because this is a mathematical construct. I had to make a quick video because it's just absolutely ridiculous that they teach this to students in graduate school. That somehow this is made of something. No, the only objects that exert gravitation on their surroundings are the objects that are comprised of matter. This is what's causing the gravitation. These blue lines, this is pseudoscience. Space-time warping and general relativity are pseudoscience. It's fake science. We need to teach our children this, or else we will continue believing that there are these magical fields that surround gravitating bodies. Now they say, well, what's your alternative for explaining gravity? I don't have an alternative. Fact is, we can use Newton's formulas to send up rockets and satellites all the time. We don't even need space-time warping. This is for the birds. This is nonsense. This is for the Professor Emeritus kind of people that work high in universities and get paid six figures to mingle with their other peers and talk crap with each other. But to anybody with common sense, there's nothing here. It's a vacuum. Alright, I think that really should sum it up. At least, what we should realize is that since the universe doesn't have an edge, per se, as Big Bang mythology and Big Bang pseudoscience would have people believe, that the actual edge of outer space isn't an edge at all. It's just the absence of matter. So essentially, wherever there is no matter, there is the metaphorical edge of the universe. As the universe, it didn't ever have a beginning, and it doesn't have an edge. There's nothing to rub against it. And certainly not expanding into whatever it is mathematical people want it to expand into. That's absolute pseudoscience. So the edge of the universe is actually wherever matter stops. That's the edge. That's, to me, common sense. But I guess more on that later.